Vegetarianism is a dietary practice that involves avoiding the consumption of animal flesh, including red meat, poultry, seafood, freshwater fish, insects, and other animal derived meat. Some vegetarians also choose to avoid products that result from animal slaughter. An individual who follows this dietary pattern is referred to as a vegetarian. Brahmins prioritize a pure vegetarian diet because it cultivates sattva, the state of purity and balance. Brahman communities strictly adhere to pure vegetarian diets. This dietary discipline fosters a tranquil state of mind, enabling individuals to engage continuously in the study of sacred scriptures. This lifestyle choice sustains inner peace, supports the deep study of scriptures, and helps perform daily duties efficiently. Furthermore, a vegetarian diet deepens meditation and serves as a vital foundation for achieving continuous spiritual purity. Consuming purely vegetarian foods also enhances one's focus, ensuring that daily responsibilities are executed with maximum effectiveness. By consuming only pure vegetarian foods, practitioners are better equipped for meditation and the realization of ultimate spiritual purity. Vegetarian diets, derived from plant sources, offer numerous health benefits because they contain zero cholesterol and are low in saturated fat. Plant-based foods promote a healthier heart. Additionally, plant proteins rich in fiber and whole grains help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Vegetarian diets, which emphasize whole, plant-based foods, offer significant health advantages. By reducing the intake of saturated fats and cholesterol, these diets effectively support cardiovascular health. Furthermore, the abundance of dietary fiber in whole grains helps maintain optimal blood glucose regulation. Fiber-rich vegetarian diets improve digestive regularity by adding bulk to stools, fostering a balanced gut microbiome, and preventing constipation. Embracing a well-planned vegetarian lifestyle is a powerful way to ward off chronic health issues. This eating pattern lowers your risk of developing conditions like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, high blood pressure, and specific cancers like colorectal and pancreatic cancer. These protective health benefits come straight from the high levels of fiber, antioxidants, and protective plant compounds in a plant-focused diet. Soluble fiber found in plant foods like legumes, whole grains, and vegetables forms a gel in your gut that delays sugar absorption. This blunts post-meal glucose spikes, enhances insulin sensitivity, and establishes stable, long-term blood sugar control. Vegetarian diets naturally offer lower calorie density and larger food volume, which delays digestion. Eating larger portions of nutrient-rich, low-calorie foods, known as volume eating, keeps you full longer and makes maintaining a healthy weight much easier. Abundant antioxidants and phytochemicals in fruits, vegetables, and legumes protect DNA and reduce cellular inflammation, lowering the risk of several cancers. Consuming a primarily vegetarian diet also helps safeguard against digestive disorders such as diverticular disease and gallstones. Eating vegetables raw helps preserve heat-sensitive nutrients such as vitamin C and B vitamins, while also retaining naturally occurring enzymes that may be reduced during cooking. Raw vegetables are rich in water and dietary fiber, which support hydration and healthy digestion. Their crunchy texture also requires more chewing, which can enhance feelings of fullness and make raw vegetables a helpful addition to a weight management plan. Certain vitamins, especially water-soluble nutrients such as vitamin C, folate, and several B vitamins, are sensitive to heat and can be lost during cooking, particularly when vegetables are boiled. Consuming vegetables raw helps retain higher levels of these micronutrients, allowing you to obtain more of their natural nutritional value. Many vegetables contain naturally occurring enzymes that contribute to the formation of beneficial compounds. For example, raw cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, arugula, and cabbage contain the enzyme myrosinase, which helps convert naturally occurring glucosinolates into isothiocyanate, ITCs, during chopping or chewing. These compounds have been studied for their potential health-promoting properties, including possible cancer protective effects. High-temperature cooking can reduce myrosinase activity, potentially limiting the formation of these beneficial compounds. Raw vegetables generally require more chewing, which increases saliva production and can promote a greater sense of fullness by slowing the eating process. They are also typically high in fiber and low in energy density, helping you feel satisfied while consuming relatively few calories. Including raw vegetables as part of a balanced diet can support appetite control and contribute to healthy weight management. Many raw vegetables have a high water content, which contributes to daily hydration. They are also excellent sources of dietary fiber, which supports regular bowel movements, helps prevent constipation, and provides nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a healthy gut microbiome and overall digestive health. Vegetable salad can be taken as an breakfast food instead of other oily breakfast food items, and it can also be considered as a evening snacks food item instead of other oily and deep-fried starters and snacks. If you're intaking vegetable salad during evening times, you should not immediately consume any hot beverages such as tea or coffee. Consuming them regularly supports weight management by promoting satiety, boosts gut health, and enhances hydration due to their high water content. Additionally, these raw veggies deliver critical micronutrients that improve heart health and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Vegetable salad consumption is a kind of smart choice because it has high nutritional value and it is significantly and distinctively known as a sensitive good food to add fiber and vitamins and antioxidants into our body. Vegetable salad can be at least had one time a day because it has calories and rich fiber and water content in it, and it can fill your stomach and prevents overeating. Generally, human beings those who are regularly consuming vegetable salad seems to be living for long period of years. Longevity is nothing but your choice of healthy food and the quantity of healthy food added to your body. The dietary fiber in leafy greens and raw veggies acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of good gut bacteria. It helps for the betterment of the digestion by adding more quantity to your stool, preventing constipation. Vegetable salad promotes the skin fairness, and vegetables like carrots and bell peppers are rich in vitamins A, C, and E. These vitamins act as antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, support collagen production, and protect skin cells from damage. Leafy greens also provide potassium and calcium, which support healthy blood pressure and heart muscle function. Vegetable salad can increase the nutrient absorption inside our body. We can include cucumbers, tomatoes, bell peppers, well-chopped nice onions, carrot, spinach, radish, avocado, cabbage, cauliflower, and broccoli in the vegetable salad. We can also include boiled chickpeas, kidney beans, or peas, which bulk up the salad and will make it more fulfilling healthy eating experiences. Most importantly, you can also sprinkle black pepper for an perfect spicy feast of the moment to proceed with better inspiration. Literally, vegetable salad is a very nice, ideal choice for diabetic patients. Vegetable salad is a magnificent food item which helps to keep the body hydrated, and bodily functions will be running smoothly if you regularly consume adequate good quantity of vegetable salad. Fruit salad is an excellent plant-based food that offers numerous health benefits when consumed properly and hygienically. Fruit salad is a nutritious vegetarian option that provides marvelous benefits to the body, provided it is prepared cleanly and safely. Eating a mix of fruits provides a wide array of vitamins, like vitamin C and A, and minerals, like potassium, that support your immune system. Both fruits and vegetables can surely help to improve your immune system and metabolism and promotes healthy digestion. Fruits are excellent for enhancing gut health. They are packed with dietary fiber, natural enzymes, and antioxidant plant compounds, polyphenols, that feed good bacteria, reduce inflammation, and promote regular bowel movements in a proper smooth way. Antioxidants found in fruits fight inflammation, which can lower your risk for certain ongoing health issues inside your body. Eating fruits like berries and citrus can make your skin look better by protecting it from damage and aging. Many fruits have a lot of water, helping you stay hydrated throughout the day, which is good for your whole body. Transitioning to a meatless lifestyle, vegetarian diet is a significant choice. People across all demographics embrace vegetarianism because of its distinctive natural benefits and for varied and multifaceted motivations, and it can also be for ethical reasons. The decision to adopt a plant-based diet or vegetarian diet involves careful consideration, and it can be identified and realized as a smart and good decision to avoid health issues in the future. Many vegetarians, for example, avoid meat because they do not want animals killed or harmed. These individuals may also object to the treatment of animals raised on industrial farms. The environment is an additional concern for some vegetarians. Issues have been cited concerning all aspects of the environment. Animal waste from factory farms may pollute the land and water, and trees and forests are cut down to make room for grazing cattle. Religious beliefs also can play an important role in vegetarianism. For instance, followers of Jainism practice non-violence, also called ahimsa, meaning do no harm, and do not eat meat or certain vegetables, such as onions, potatoes, and garlic. Hindus also believe in ahimsa and the dietary customs of self-control and purity of mind and spirit. Seventh-day Adventists practice a vegetarian lifestyle, while Buddhists also support the concept of ahimsa, although some eat fish or meat. Many people make the switch to a vegetarian diet because of the potential health benefits. Vegetarian eating patterns have been associated with improved health outcomes, including lower levels of obesity, a reduced risk of heart disease, and lower blood pressure. So, kindly think about it, and if you feel that it is really smart and good to adopt a strict vegetarian diet throughout your meaningful good life, then you have the freedom and right to adopt a pure vegetarian lifestyle in your present life. That's all about my explanation regarding the pure vegetarian lifestyle. Thank you all for watching this video.